A Ukrainian soldier was moving through the rubble when a Russian FPV drone hit him on the head. But it didn't explode. It felt like a small rock was thrown at his helmet. He was very lucky because he was wearing a bulletproof helmet. That helmet saved his life from a funny but dangerous attack from the Russian side. In another scene, a Russian soldier rushed out of cover to pick up a Ukrainian FPV drone that had been shot down. He tried to bring it back inside the base, but maybe that was a mistake. He didn't realize that he was holding an explosive device, something that could still explode even after it was down. One Ukrainian drone operator said, "We now land FPV drones near the bunker instead of flying them in." Why? Because Russians always try to pick them up and carry them inside, and then we explode them remotely. It's strange, but Russian soldiers often cannot stop themselves from picking things up off the ground, even when they really shouldn't touch them. Some reports say they might even get a reward for bringing back FPV drones. I'll explain this more in the next video, when another soldier tries to pick up a fallen FPV. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next story.